You vibe coded a cool SaaS or digital product. But how do Google and AI assistants understand what your product does and when to recommend it? In this video, I'll show you how to build a complete niche website around your product with too much niche. We'll start from an empty WordPress installation and generate a structured content site with articles like this. Let's start. This is a fresh WordPress site. We only need 2 plugins. First, install Content Egg. The free version is enough. In this setup, Content Egg is used to render article blocks, CTA blocks, pricing blocks, and offer sections. Next, install Too Much Niche. You can download it from your keywordrush.com user account. Install the plugin, activate it, and enter your license key. The first step is to create an offer profile for our product. An offer profile contains the important details about your product: positioning, features, pricing, plans, conversion URLs, testimonials, and call to action links. In this video, I want to create a niche website around my Content Egg Pro plugin for WordPress. Filling the full profile manually can take time, so we can use AI to help. Open your AI assistant and ask something like, "Read this landing page and pricing page, then create the following schema." Then copy the offer profile schema from TMN and paste it into your prompt. The AI will review your website and fill in the product details. Now copy the generated schema and paste it back into the TMN offer profile. Review everything carefully to make sure the information is correct. Now we can create the full content plan for our website. Click Create Plan in Too Much Niche. First, enter your niche. I'll use affiliate marketing because this is the market related to my plugin. You can also set the target country, language, site stage, available expertise, tone of voice, and other settings. Next, set the monetization strategy to SaaS digital products. Then select the intent mix. Money articles will promote your product more directly. Info articles will bring traffic and build topical authority. Mixed articles can do both. Now select the offer profile we just created. The next step is plan scale. I'll select a minimal plan, about 30 to 60 articles in total. Then select the planning horizon. This controls how long it should take to publish all planned articles. I'll select 4 months. Next, you can activate and configure internal linking. I'll keep the default settings. In the next step, TMN can scan existing content on your site. My site is brand new, so I'll skip this step. Now review the settings and click Generate Plan. The plan generation is now in progress. Under the hood, TMN runs a complex planning process: niche analysis, hub strategy, topic expansion, SEO signals, article intent, and internal linking. This can take some time. When the plan is ready, we have 5 hubs. Each hub has a pillar page. The pillar page is the main guide for the topic. Each hub also has informational supporting articles, and it has money or mixed intent articles that can promote our product directly. Most importantly, every article has a planned role in the site structure, and every internal link has a purpose. This is not just a list of random AI posts. Before we generate content, let's quickly review the generation preset settings. For example, I'll enable AI-generated featured images and choose an image style. You can also configure many other content generation settings here. Now let's go back to our plan. I'll generate all articles for one hub. Just click the Generate button. While the articles are being generated, let's install a better theme than the default WordPress theme. A simple blog theme works well here. Nothing complicated. Let's try this blog spare theme. Now let's go back to our generated articles and review the results. First, here is the pillar page. This is the main general guide for the hub. It is designed to link to the related articles inside the same cluster. You can see these contextual links inside the article content. Next, let's check a how-to guide. This is not just plain text. The article is built with detailed sections and structured blocks that are easy for users, search engines, and AI systems to understand. But the most interesting pages for us are the money and mixed intent articles. For example, this comparison article compares two competitors in the affiliate plugin space. Here we have the pretty links versus thirsty affiliates context. And here's the important part. TMN adds a CTA block for our Content Egg plugin. The CTA text is generated to match the article context, so the article can target organic search traffic, get discovered by AI assistants, and still guide readers toward your product. There is also another CTA block near the end of the article with two conversion links. Now let's look at this Content Egg review article generated by AI. Here is a full plugin review. But notice this pricing block with promotions and trust signals. Not all details are hard-coded inside the article. Important data like pricing, discounts, testimonials, and CTA links are pulled from the offer profile we created earlier. So if your product price changes, you do not need to regenerate the whole article. Just update the offer profile. And the published article will display the new price. This is the main idea. I tweaked the theme behind the scenes and generated a few more posts, so now we can look at the final site. If you already have a SaaS, WordPress plugin, course, template pack, membership, or any other digital product, you do not just need more blog posts. You need a structured, niche site around the problem your product solves. A landing page explains your product. A niche site explains the whole market around it. The problems, use cases, comparisons, alternatives, and buying questions. That gives search engines and AI assistants much more context to understand your product and when to recommend it. And this is exactly what Too Much Niche helps you build.